Acha tufanye a quick analysis of GBPUSD this week. Currently niko on daily time frame. Acha turudi weekly first. Weekly still shows it's going to continue to be bearish even this week. Monthly nothing to study, but naona price ndio inaenda kuguza hiyo trend line niko nimechora ya kitambo. If you zoom in you can see clearly price from all this way imekuja na sasa ndio nimelalia trend line, so still watching out and see what goes on from that point. So monthly and weekly there's nothing to really watch, but you can see for weekly now we have one green candle. See the green candle, see this one is a very it has created a very important support and resistance zone, so expect the price to come all the way down. We see our main target is here, 12,700 is our target, then price bounces back. So if you come to daily, now you get a clear picture why we're saying this is our target. Like I said, on a daily time frame, this has been a downtrend from I don't know when. All right, so we're still making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. This is an equal high, then you have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low here, we have a lower high here. And if you're a beginner, you really don't understand what I'm talking about. You need to study the resources that are shared. Very helpful. Once you're done with that, then I'll connect you to the real deal now, the real information. But for now, if you're a beginner, you need to first go through whatever I shared. If you're very fresh, go to baby peeps, then go to education section, then just go through the course. All right, that is also for the beginner. That's why you get to understand the language that the market is talking. All right, no hakuna mahali imeandikwa ati buy now, sell now, you're going down, you're going up. No. It's communicating in sign. If you're a beginner, when I connect you to those books, forex usually talks in sign language. Now when I connect to those books, I want you to go and understand those signs. What are they saying? Now the signs here are the candlesticks, the pattern that price forms, now the swings now that we are talking about. Like if you see here on a daily time frame, you see our latest swing was from here all the way here. Well, I've placed my Fibonacci. You see, price has retraced all the way to our sweet spot, which is 61.8%. And now after price retraces to 61.8, expect the price to extend all the way to 0.27%. Now this is our target. Either it gets hit this week or next week, but this is our target. See, that is our target. So you can even get rid of this 12,709. That's our target. All right, that is the extension we are looking for. In fact, this week is going to be in terms of fundamentals, this week is going to be crazy. So from our daily perspective, we're able to see where we're expecting the price to extend to. All right, see, you have a very strong support and resistance zone here. See, which has already been broken. So now we come to daily. We're expecting price to proceed to the downside. All right, so for the same concept. kuna equal highs huku hizo zitakuja kwa kuhitiwa later. This one should be out actually. So you see these two green lines zenye unaona nimechora hapa, this is a strategy I use every week. And usually I'm trying to teach people for free because I was taught for free, like I said. Alright, this is a very simple strategy, very simple, especially if you're a swing trader. Alright, you see the way prices perfectly. At first on Monday, price broke to the upside. Alright, then this was a ranging zone all the way to Tuesday until we had the inflation news, the USD inflation news here. That was on Tuesday last week. That's why it was all the way, came down all the way here. Right? So now this zone, this is usually like a channel. If you've read about channels, for those who've gone through the candlestick trading Bible, or elsewhere, if you learned about the chart patterns that form in the market, if you learned about the channel is a zone, is a ranging zone. It's an accumulation zone. So for you to trade, you must wait for price to break and retest that channel for you to proceed in the same direction. Right? That's how we treat this channel. Right? Whichever side price breaks, comes down and retests, that's why we place our trade. Now you see on Monday it will break to the upside. Even Tuesday, just the price came down all the way here, it tested this zone and start going up. Then we've done a buy trade. Right? But price came straight and broke to the downside. Right? So now our bias has changed from bullish to bearish. Right? So price came all the way down here. Then on Wednesday, that is when price started retesting. Yeah, right. Plus price started retesting this zone. Right, you see, and this is where now I gave out this trade. If you're following my group, you see, this is why I gave out this trade. I said now we're going in for a sell. Okay, let me see where we gave out the trade. Is it this trade? Yes, I guess. Yes, you see this trade. You see price was actually, price had already broken to the downside, tested. Now we're going. That's why I did place my trade, my stop loss above that zone. All right, see, our target what was 14,500. See, this is the trade I gave out. See, came, retested perfectly and started running. These are the gold analysis that we did, and that was very okay. See, price came down all the way and hit our target. All right, because our target was 14,500. You see, 14,500 in huku, 14,500 all the way here, na ikaenda chini zaidi. All right, so very nice strategy. So now we go to this week. We do the same thing, the same concept. Today's on Monday. I'm on a 4 hour time frame. You can see here. When you come to 4 hour time frame, just pick the first two easy dotted lines. Ni zile zinakuanga tunaitanga session breaks. Ni kama periodic tu zina kuseparatea session ya daily time frame. Your movement, hizo candles ziko in between the entire day. Hivyo ni kumaanisha Monday yetu imeanza hapa. Right? Yeah. Whatever I'm using here, in trading view. Kama unataka kukuwa na seamless analysis, yenye iko na more tools, everything, I recommend Trading View is very okay. You can still subscribe to a pro, where you get to have more than one chart in a window. then you're able to access even more tools. You're able to do alarms. You're able to place alarms wherever you want, so that when price hits that level, you're notified on your phone, all those things. So now let's come here. This is on Monday on our time frame. The first two, this is the first candle, this is the second candle. Which is the highest point these two has formed? The highest point, if you combine these two, the highest point they've done is here. All right, so can take you just map about the highest point. All right, you can still confirm the point, that is the highest point. Then we do the lowest point here between the two, which is the lowest point. You see, now that is our channel for the week. Very simple, very simple. That is our channel for the week. You see, like the way these price is behaving now, you see, wants to break to the downside, but until the candle closes, you can't really tell. So we wait for our candle to close, which this one I think will close at around 12. Yes, Kenyan time is 12. Okay, 12 ndio kando ya 4 itafunga. That's what tutajua whichever side isipo break ifunge within the channel. We still wait until we have a full confirmed candle break to either direction. All right, so after umeweka channel yako, you just wait. So kuna hii ukienda 4 hour, kuna hii swing, latest swing low hapa. I don't know, I was thinking ita break you I was thinking price itakuja ku retest itakuja kwa 50 or 61.8% before iteremke, but I'm still going to watch out and see, because our target tumesema ni wapi? Hapa. Okay, so let's look at the fundamentals. What is this? Very important. Niliwaambia wezi trade bila kuangalia news. Na si necessarily kuzitrade if you don't know how to interpret them. News are not necessarily to interpret, so that you make sure whenever they're happening, you're out. You stay out when they're happening and wait. All right. If I give you a confession about my experience with the news, I think I've lost a trade 90% of the time whenever I'm trading news. So from my experience, if you're still a beginner, intermediate level, unaanza ku advance kidogo, just stay out from the news. If you want to be sustainable in this field, just news are very tricky. If you want to trade news, have a separate account specifically for trading news, but not your normal trading account. All right, so you're in a run sell. I think I'm still holding a sell, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I still have another sell here. Yes, see, it's about 113. Still going down. Okay, so let's talk about news. Today is on a Monday, kuna news ya maana. Tomorrow house permit nini hizo hazina maana. Yes, then you come to, let's check this week. Today, tomorrow hakuna. Then we come to Wednesday. Wednesday now is a real deal. Right? Hapa system hizo hazikuwa effective sana. Then you come down to the interest rate decisions. Hii sasa ndio mambo yote. Interest rate and FOMC. Hii normally ina happen on Wednesday 9 ya usiku. Saa 3 usiku. Watch out. Have this app. Hii ni my FX book. Ni kuangalia news. So hizi mbili, Wednesday, very important. Then you come all the way down. Thursday kuna interest rate ya GBP. Right, that is Thursday asubuhi around 9. News za GBP mostly was gonna happen 9 asubuhi. za USD huwa zina happen 3:30 mchana, saa tisa na nusu. Hizo ndio most news za USDs will happen, apart from hizi mbili tu ndio zikuwa hiyo time off kidogo, hiyo ya 9. Lakini most news za USD zinakuanga 3:30 ya huku jioni. GBP saa 3 asubuhi. Haya, tuko na hizi bado Thursday. Then Friday we have some easy tricky, easy hata sijajua is about nini. But anyway, so in terms of fundamentals, we have Wednesday and Thursday, which are very important for this week. Today and tomorrow is no, so expect the market today and tomorrow in accumulate ama in a what do you call it, in a range too, or so. But when you observe, you just watch and get rid of this. Map out the two zones that I've told you. Still nini inaweza baki Fibonacci. You can still do the Fibonacci yourself. You see, when you go to 4 hour, we have this Fibonacci. Then here daily ndio tumeona target yetu ni hapa. So we have our first target itakuwa hapa, that is around 12,800. But we'll do first target to be 13,000. I know, we'll see when I get a setup, then I'll share with the group. Okay, cheers.